Alright, we're currently driving through Germany, through the countryside, from Koschel to the, what's it called?
Neuschwanstein Castle.
The Neuschwanstein Castle, and we've got the batteries all charged up, and there's so many awesome places that we could pull off and fly, but unfortunately it has been a pretty steady drizzle since we've left Munich. So hopefully after our castle tour, we will be able to pick some spots and go do some flying. We've got the Alps here in the background and just rolling countryside. It's very beautiful here. We did the whole castle experience, but by the time we left it had only gotten rainier out. We decided to call it and head for Switzerland. After spending a few days in Zurich, we left the big city and headed into the mountains for a town called Grindelwald. Along the way though, we had some spots to hit. Fortunately, I had some map locations provided by the snowman himself. If you haven't seen the videos of him flying through the Alps, you should totally check out his channel. Switzerland offered some truly epic flying spots. We're out here in Switzerland and I've got the Slim Fast long range build, and this is my first flight of the trip, so I'm going to take it easy, and the plan is to kind of fly up here to this waterfall here and try to fly up to the summit and then come back safely. And number one goal is to not lose the drone.
My heart beats in patterns with a broken sound. So I'm dizzy now. All of this time I should have figured it out. I'm a free animal, free animal. I'm a free animal, free animal. Free animal, free animal. My heart beats in patterns with a broken sound.
Alright, at this spot I was obviously playing it safe. The last thing I wanted to do was lose my primary drone at the first spot of a 2-week Euro trip. In the next video, we're off to a new spot in Switzerland and I'm going to push things a little bit harder. Be sure to subscribe and follow the journey.